In today's video, we're going to be doing some things and helping some people. Why? Because they make it like that. So the Ganaraska Railway Modelers are a good group of guys, but sometimes they need some people to be muscular and handsome to help them lift things. So they called me in to help out. They could have done it on their own, but I think they just missed having me in the club, you know what I mean? So, yeah, that's what we're doing today.
That's pretty nice.
That is really well done. It's like made out of tin or something.
Yep. It's like the
You'd need to stuff it full of moo cows.
yeah.
Did you build this?
No, not me.
No.
That's somebody with a lot of patience.
No kidding.
So what? This is just on display.
Yeah, this is, we have a contest every year in the club.
Just within club members.
Yeah.
Then. Well, he wins.
Yeah.
Beautiful miters, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. the joints are soldered and everything.
Well, you have to have good electrical connections. Come on.
Of course, you wouldn't want any
Any
power
shorts,
loss. Yeah, see how it's like concaved?
Yeah. You could stick the button on there, or you could stick it up here.
Yeah.
Either way.
The momentary switch, it fried at the last show, so we put in a new one.
Yeah.
And now this one, it's like not getting enough pressure from the gate, so we've been adjusting it all day to try and, because sometimes it just dies.
Problem is, you got to take it all apart to adjust it. So you're just guessing, right?
Yeah. But that's what that screw's for.
As high up as it goes.
Well, then it should be good.
Has to be.
Should have trouble closing it now, it'll be so high.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to avoid. That's what happened at the station. We had it up too high, and then the gate didn't line up right. Still nothing?
Luckily, I have some tape in my car. I just gotta find it. There it is. Beautiful. Got some tape. Gonna do a little bit of a temporary Mickey Mouse fix. And we'll get her done. Awesome.
I'm going super fast. Thanks.
You're welcome.
It's noisy tape.
Yeah. I like it that way. I like when my tape is noisy. Day 2.
Day 2.
Yesterday was a good day. I mean, everybody was lined up out the door. Really good attendance for a local train show. I don't want to say small town, because Whitby is not a small town, but it's smaller than I'm assuming some of the bigger shows are from the States. But it's a pretty massive show, and there was a good amount of attendance yesterday. Today is Sunday. It's usually a little bit quieter on the Sunday, but I thought it'd be fun. I'm bringing portable graffiti kit with me to do a bit of graffiti inside the layout. I don't have a vendor display or anything like that, but I thought it'd be fun to do just do some graffiti inside the layout at the table there and kind of pass the time, maybe draw some interest, you know, and see what the day brings. Yo. I don't need a paintbrush.
You got a pen down in there?
I don't need a pen.
No pen.
No, I have a pen. I need a pencil.
These fruit trees are long.
This is misleading. Because it has an eraser, but it's a dark green pencil crayon. Forgot my pencil. Oh, it's also crazy windy. Holy. This gate is fantastic for getting in and out of the layout. However, when the trains are the longest trains in the entire show, you gotta wait a while. There's another one. And there's another one coming. I hear the train coming. Well, we're waiting. Finally. Okay, here we go. Two-day show. Had a lot of fun. I didn't have a table or anything like that, like I said, but I still got some people dropping off cars, which is pretty cool. It just goes to show I need to get back into the workshop and finish the ones that I already have so that I can take on more. So there's going to be a lot more videos coming up soon, so make sure you check out this one in the meantime, and remember, they make it like that.